Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to share with you my favorite summer beauty haul that I've picked up recently and some of my favorite new finds. So yeah guys, I really cannot wait to share with you. So we're going to get through a lot. So if you like this video, please stay tuned. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer, I am not sponsored by any of these products featured in this video. These are my favorite products that I've picked up recently and purchased for myself. So first things first, I'm going to start with this monthly subscription by Look Fantastic. I usually just kind of pick up my favorite and that's it, but I've never really got to try discover new brands. So let me show you here. So as you can see, it's full of products. So this is mixed in with May, June, July, and guys, it is such a nice box. Like, there's products here that I really don't pick up or anything, but it's just really nice to try things out. So yeah, let's go through because we've got a lot to get through in today's video. So in the box we have the Acai Berry face mask. Next up we've got the Bedhead Masterpiece hairspray. Now I remember this kind of when I was young. I know I used to have this brand when I was a teenager, so I definitely remember the Bedhead vibe. But yeah, that is a hairspray that came with it. Then also we have a brush. This is a really quick blow dry brush here. We have the Wow. Now guys, I've never got to try this. Now I'm looking forward to be trying this. This is the Wow Insta Advanced Dry Shampoo. How cute is this, guys? You can just spray it on. You don't have time to shower, wash your hair. This is the quick fix for you, so definitely be using this. Then also we have a hair clip. Now I definitely love to have so many hair clips because I like to have things away from my face sometimes. So this is a cute hair clip here. And then we also have the lip oil. I don't know if you can see this here. This is Made by Michelle. So this is a lip oil. So cute little packaging. You can see here. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying some of these out. We've got the LMS. Now see guys, I've never had a chance to use any of these. So these boxes are super perfect and they're just nice little essentials because travel sets are a must. And so yeah, this is the LMS Pro Collagen Hydrating Cleansing Mousse. I don't know if you can really see this a bit close up here. Let me show you. There we go. There's a rich replenishing cleanser, the Paradox Pro Density Anti-Breakage. See here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to be trying these guys. So this is a really cute one inside my box, and also have the Sol de Janeiro 87. Like, you can't get any better than that inside the box, guys. Like, you gotta smell this. Definitely summer vibes, beach vibes going on here. So I definitely love this scent. This is really nice. I'll definitely be using this. Also we have a hydrating mist here. This really came in the box. Aoi Cherry Hydrating Set Mist, enriched with cherry extract, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Let's give this a tester. This is really nice, guys. Now you can definitely smell the cherry through here, and yeah, it's definitely feels really fresh. It's not too heavy. So yeah, I'll definitely be using this. The Peeling Gel by Peter Thomas. That's a really good one. I've never got to try this one. So this is visibly exfoliating by rolling, lift and sweeping away impurities. So yeah, that's a really cute one for the travel. And then we've got some eye mask going on here, and we've got a little mini exfoliator, the Perfect Body Vitamin C Glow. We've got the Medicube Perfect Glow. Like, guys, how cute is this? Like, guys, I've never had to try any of these, so I'm looking forward to be trying these Medicube, these nice little samples. But yeah guys, that is the box for the Look Fantastic. Really recommend if you definitely want to try out new products, because you really get like these cute little essentials every month. So yeah, these boxes will be stocking up every month. So on to the next one is the Space NK that I've got. The Summer Society from Space NK. Like, as you can see, I am super obsessed by the nice bright colours from Space NK. Like, it is amazing, and as you can see, I'm definitely wearing the nice sherbet colour and definitely goes nice with the bag. So this is definitely going to be on my next trip, guys. So let's go through these. So from Space NK, I've got a nice tote bag. How cute is this? Perfect for the beach. Absolutely love this one, guys. Super nice to put inside your suitcase as well, so you can easily kind of fold it up. So I've obviously got that. And then how cute is this, guys? From the last year's one, I had the nice pastel colour. This just tops off even more because look at it, guys. It is definitely giving the summer vibes, the beach vibes going on. Definitely goes well, definitely goes nice. Definitely got the whole collection Summer Society range, and it can't go out without the nice keyring chain, so you can really kind of pop it up in your bag here. So absolutely love this. This costs £12 for this little cute one. Perfect to put all the miniature beauties inside these little cute bags. So yeah, I've got pink one and I also have the blue one as well. So we're going to go through the little products a bit later. So yeah, I've just got the whole range. All the Sunset Beach, and the blue one is the poolside. So I had to get the full range for the Sunset Beach because I love the colour Sunset Beach. Great range this year. So inside my Sunset Beach is the Flamingo Bay Hairspray Mist. Like, absolutely gorgeous, guys. So I've got the 100ml size, and I also have the 250ml, guys. Like, how cute is this? I'm telling you guys, this smells, it smells like summer beach vibes. Like, oh my god, absolutely gorgeous spray this is. Coconut vanilla-y smell. Like, it's super cute. So this is perfect for the nice medium sized bag. And let's go through the little essentials that I got. So in this pouch, I did go to the Summer Society Space NK pop-up event, guys. Now in the pop-up event, I just got these two little items free. How cute is that? Baby Fruit Captain perfume. Now this smells absolutely gorgeous. And then I got the Flare Honeymoon. Amazing. Now I love this smell, guys. Like, as soon as I got it, I could not stop smelling it. Comes in a nice, really cute little size, and it just smells amazing. Vanilla, orange blossom, manuka honey, sandalwood, melatonin, lavender. So cute. Absolutely love it. This is definitely going in my little set for on the go. So yeah, that is definitely what I got from the pop-up event. Next one is the poolside travel edit. Like, this is worth £225, guys, but it's down for £80, and you really get all these amazing essentials in here. Then we have Milk Hydro Grip Set Refresh Spray. I definitely will be trying this. I've never had a chance to try this brand. Let me try this one. Really refreshing. And then, guys, the Tatcha Dewy Skin. Oh my god, guys, I've never had the chance to really get this, so I'm really glad I have this. And yeah, guys, I'm definitely going to be trying this. So the Dewy Skin Cream, and yeah, it's the replenishing and plumping antiox rich Japanese purple rice. As you can see here, it's got this gorgeous like purpley colour here. Super cute. Cannot wait to be using this, and it smells really refreshing too. So it comes with another hair clip. We've got some more hair clips, guys. Got the Space NK hair clip. I'll definitely will be using this. I'm going to put this on my hair right now. See? I don't know if you can see it, but definitely is cute. Definitely goes well with my nice top. So yeah, and then also inside we've got the Amika Frizz Me Knot. Hydrating anti-frizz treatment definitely works well with my curls, so I definitely be using this. Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm. Yeah. See, never got to try this as well, so I'm super excited to be trying all these. We've got the AB Sun Cream SPF 50. Summer Fridays Sweet Summer Minis. Like, guys, this has definitely been on my wish list I'm obsessed with lip gloss, lipstick, everything, and it has berry sorbet, peach, sea salt, and caramel. So let me go through these, and these goes really well in these little cute little minis. So let's go open this up, and then inside we have these cute little minis. How cute is that? Super cute, perfect for keychain bag, so cannot wait to be using that. Next up, Caribbean Shores. So I got this as a gift. My mum got me this as a gift, so I'm looking forward to be trying this. We've got the body wash and the body lotion. Okay, we have the Body Butter Ladder Daily Glow. So this is super, very shimmery for your skin. Absolutely love this. Definitely is nice for the summer. And the pink one, the water lotion. This smells absolutely amazing, guys. Now I've tried this out coming out to the shower. Super refreshing, super hydrating your skin. Just really hydrates your skin, gives that nice softness feel. So definitely will be using these. Next up I got is the Gazoo hair mist. As you can see, you've got the cocoa and the pineapple pop perfume. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. So I cannot wait to be using this, and this smells absolutely amazing. Definitely giving you that summer feel. How cute is that, guys? It's literally that small. You can really fit that in your little purse. This is super nice, guys. Very pineapple-y. And then also we got the cocoa. Yeah, so nice. This really is nice for your hair. Let me try this. Very coconutty smell, very cocoa. Gives that hair feeling like that you're really on the beach. Another Body Butter Ladder infused lotion, and these little cute little minis. Like, I really need this just to take away. This is really good on the travel, so I got one of each of all the colours. How cute is this? I've got the 39, the 48 and the 62. Oh guys, when I tried the 39, this smells really, really nice. This actually smells like the Coco Cabana from last time. I don't know if you have the same ingredients in here, but it smells absolutely gorgeous. Super, super nice. But yeah, this has got coconut milk in this one. Yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with all the minis right now. New Sephora. So this is the Sephora Favourites Beauty Cravings. So as you can see, it has this cute little makeup bag. Now we have 91 Sol de Janeiro hair perfume, Sephora lip oil, and then Laneige lip sleeping mask. I'll be definitely trying this. So yeah, that is everything inside the Sephora Favourites. Next up, guys, Anua, I can never pronounce that, guys. Anua Rice 70 Ceramide Glow Collagen Face Mask. Really is nice, this. I absolutely love this. So you do get 4 in the one, guys, but absolutely amazing for your skin. And then Medicube PDR Pink Collagen Gel Mask. So definitely got this one. Did purchase another Medicube. Never tried the Medicube, so I thought, you know what, let me try this Medicube. I want to see what it's all about. So yeah, I have the TXA Niacinamide Capsule Cream. So yeah, and inside here you have these 5% niacinamide, and then also you have, let's see if I could open this for you guys. And inside here, as you can see, all the capsules. Super nice. I've also used the Medicube Deep Vitamin C Capsule Cream with niacinamide, vitamin water. This is really gives you that nice gel mask cream moisturizing going on, and it feels super soft as soon as I put this on. But this is actually my favorite that I've tried. So I've already used some already, and as you can see here, I've used a few here, and you can see some of the capsules through here. They're super soft on your face, gives that really nice dewy skin feel. I have been using this quite a lot, and also I've been using a lot is the Medicube Collagen Toning Gel Pads. Now this feels really refreshing on my skin. PDRN Purity 99% Toning Gel, really nice refreshing cool feel. So as soon as I put it on, it just gives me that nice cool refreshing feel. I'm loving the Medicube right now. And another soap from the Medicube is the paw pads mild, so we've got another one for the Medicube pads. So these are for the paws. So yeah, obviously I've been seeing quite a lot about the Medicube, so I definitely wanted to try these out. To get another Medicube is the Tide serum, so that's the serum one, and the eye cream Medicube, the serum as well. So a really great combination to use for my skin. Looking forward to be trying these out. Also forgot to mention of the Sol de Janeiro, so I did get the nice one with the wood top on. This is the Limonado Gelada. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, guys, but yeah, as you can see. So let's try this out. Now this smells absolutely gorgeous. It's summer vibes going on. I absolutely love this one. It smells very Brazilian coconut milk, brown sugar. Super smells nice. Super nice, that, guys. And then last but not least, guys, we have the Hello Spring. So I got this around spring. These is from Boots. This, guys, you really kind of get a lot of full size out here. So yeah, this is the Hello Spring from Boots. So a lot going on here. We've got some sun cream, hyaluronic acid by Bora UV. And then we have the Boyama Blemish. We have that one here. So yeah, quite a lot in this one, guys. We have the lip sleeping mask. We've got the black rice probiotic here. This is like a Korean brand. I don't know if you can see, the lighting is too bright here, guys. And then also we've got hydrating cream. This is by the Inky List here. Really great full size that they have in here. We've got some Vaseline lip gloss. And we have some Rock eye cream going on. Minis by Certifel. So guys, that is everything that I purchased from my super summer beauty haul. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what are your favorites, to hear what you've got. But yeah, guys, that is the end of today's video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.